In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Wix hoverboxes. Hoverboxes are a great way to add a bit of interaction to your website. They let you show one design or image by default and then reveal something different when a visitor hovers their mouse over that area. Let's walk through exactly how to set them up and customize them inside the Wix editor. First, log into your Wix account. After you sign in, you should land on your main dashboard. If you're not already on the setup dashboard, just look at the menu on the left and click on the setup option there. On the top right of your dashboard, you'll see a button that says Edit Site. Go ahead and click that. This will open your website inside the Wix editor, which is where you'll do all of your design work. Once the editor loads, move your attention to the left-hand panel. Here, click on the Add Elements icon, which looks like a plus sign. This is where Wix keeps all the building blocks you can drag onto your page. In the Add Elements panel that opens, scroll and look for the Interactive section and click it. Under Interactive, you'll see an option called Hoverboxes. Click that, and Wix will show you a variety of hoverbox styles and designs. Take a moment to browse through the different hoverbox templates. You can preview how they're laid out and think about what fits your page best, whether it's something simple and minimal or something more visual. When you find a style you like, click it once and it will be added to your page. From there, you can drag it to reposition it anywhere on your canvas and use the resize handles around the edges to make it larger or smaller so it fits your layout nicely. When the hoverbox is selected, you'll notice there are two different borders or states you can work with. The first one is the regular state. This is what visitors see when nothing is hovering over it, so it's your default image or content. The second is the hover state. This is what appears when a visitor moves their mouse over the box. It can be a different image, different text, or a combination that feels more interactive. To change the image for either state, first make sure you're on the correct tab, regular or hover. Then click directly on the image inside that state and choose Change Image. A pop-up will appear, giving you options to upload a new image from your computer or choose from your site files, your media boards, the trash if you've recently deleted something, or built-in libraries like media from Wix, stock images, and AI-generated images. Pick the image you want, apply it, and repeat the process for the other state if needed. Once you've adjusted the images and positioning, your hoverbox is ready to go. That's it. Your interactive hoverbox is now live in your design and ready to be published to your site.